They do delivery all the fish to the whole peninsula Malaysia. I will put the purchase link in the description. You can just check from there. Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I just received a call from a delivery guy because I ordered some seafood from my favorite online seafood company, DTS Home Mart. So I think they just arrived. Okay, so here's their delivery lorry. Hi, thanks for calling me. Dekat dalam they ambil. So they actually have their designated cold storage lorry. Boleh ambil lah. Okay, so ini saya punya. Okay, thank you tengok. Okay, so here's the box. I think my first time ordering the online from them, and it comes in a very nicely packed box. So let's open this and take a look. This is probably Appa's first time to do an open box video. Okay, right. So on top there is a list of the thing that I bought. So I have a fish, golden snapper, giant tiger grouper, ikan sela, tiger prawn frozen, and free Chinese prawn fruit. I ordered this yesterday, so it was the last day of having the free Chinese prawn fruit yesterday. So let's see what do we have. Okay, so let me see, take out one by one for you to see. So this is the prawn, and I've shown it in another video before in their Home Mart. It is actually, their seafood is actually frozen using liquid nitrogen. So you can see their prawn is actually, you can actually, let's say you only need 5 pieces, you can just take 2 or 3 or 5 pieces out. It doesn't come with a whole ice block, yeah? So that's why it's very convenient. You just take how many you want and use it. I think this is only 52 ringgit is written here, 52 ringgit. For this size, good size, very good size. Okay, so you have the prawn, the rest should be the fish. So this is the fish slices. So especially for people who doesn't like to cut fish and want to make some porridge or some soup, you can just buy the fish slices like this. They already slice out nicely. Just defrost it, put it under the water. So put the whole thing under the water, then you just cook it straight away. Very nicely packed and tidy, and very convenient also. And oh, this is the sela fish. Oh, I actually thought the sela fish is like this size, but this is like triple the size that I'm thinking I have in mind. I can ever imagine. It's so big. The sela fish is so huge. I never hit. Oh, this is my free Chinese prawn fruit. 30 over ringgit actually if you buy separately. Too bad. Yesterday is already the last day. My family tao tei chang. Okay. And this one, right? This is the 3 kg tiger grouper. Now, the thing about tiger grouper is this. I always heard people telling me the tiger grouper, if you want the real good ones, it has to be more than 3 kg. And the one I bought is exactly 3 kg, the whole fish, between 3 to 3.5 kg. And they will actually cut it into different parts, different cutlets like that. Yeah, this is the fish head. See how big is this? Is only half of the fish head. Cut it nicely and freeze it, and also ice glaze it. Yeah, see, very convenient. And all the other cutlets is cut like this. So every time you want to cook, you can just take out one cutlet and cook it and defrost it. I always like when people send me seafood which is using a vacuum pack, because when they come in vacuum pack, then only you can put it in the water to defrost it very easily, rather than the normal plastic pack. Yeah, see how beautiful it is. I have the whole 3 kg at least. This is another half. I'm going to make some, definitely going to make some curry fish head. And a beautiful fish tail. All right. So I few more pieces inside here. This is how beautiful it is. All this cost me 200 plus, I think less than 300. To me, their price is very reasonable with very good quality, and the most important thing is very, very reliable. I only ordered yesterday afternoon and it arrives today afternoon also. Okay, fantastic. So especially during the MCO or lockdown time, it is always good for us to order online. And I used to have this problem where I'm not exactly sure how good is their quality. Yeah, how good is the quality of their seafood online, because many of those are suddenly arises out of nowhere during MCO time. But this company, they are the DTS Home, they are actually one of the largest seafood supplier of the 5-star hotel and many high-end restaurant in Malaysia. So their quality is definitely very, very high and reliable. Okay, so there you go. Here's my first open box video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. They do delivery all the fish to the whole Peninsula Malaysia. I will put the purchase link in the description. You can just check from there. Bye bye.